everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Perfection Art by Tracy, and I'm Tracy. Let me also welcome you back to the 1,000 Below collaboration. So we come together every month and we take turns picking a different technique for the group to do that month. Because we want to show the world what you guys have been missing by not subscribing to our channel. So with that being said, if you'll take a second, hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. But let me go over what I'm doing today. As you can see on my canvas, I had a spill, had all my colors lined up so pretty, was going to show my colors, went to lean in to adjust my camera, and my belly hit the blue and it spilled everywhere. That's kind of how life has been going for me lately, but it's just a little bit of spilled paint, right? So anyway, I have got a big 22 by 28 edge canvas, deep edge. So what our task was for this month to do puddles on the canvas and then use a cell activator. I'm going to be swiping through my puddles and then take a marble and roll around the canvas and as we tilt and hopefully get something beautiful. While I'm making the puddles, I want to tell you guys a little story. So for those that don't know, y'all have seen my pups sometimes in the videos. We have 3 pups and 2 of them are sick. And hopefully I can do this and talk at the same time. So we get to the one that I want to talk about. We have a 5, almost 6-year-old, 3.5-pound little Maltese. And she started several months ago just in a lot of pain. We think it's her back, but we're not 100% sure. And we've taken her to the vet numerous times. They've done as much as they can do here where we live. Unfortunately, we don't have canine like MRI machines, or the best we've got is an ultrasound or x-rays. So we don't have CAT scans or MRIs. So we're trying to get her in up at NC State, which is the big like teaching hospital, vet hospital. And so she's been on so many different medicines. She's currently just on high doses of steroids, and we're just not seeing a lot of improvement. So, I mean, she's fairly comfortable, but not like we want her to be. And so it dawned on me the other day that I used to own my own pet boutique and grooming salon and for 10 years, and I just sold it the end of 2019. Well, when I first started out, I came across this product called Nuvet, and I'll put it on the screen. And it's basically a water-soluble, sort of like a vitamin. It's all natural. It's made with chicken liver. You give it to your dogs like a treat. They can't overdose on it. I mean, it's got things like cat claw and shark cartilage and just all kinds of good things. I've been a huge advocate of it for years. Sold it in my store, and I still sell it. You can order it by with a code. And I used to have all of my dogs on it, and for whatever reason, I just kind of stopped. Pure probably laziness, to be honest with you. And it dawned on me the other day. It's like, why do I not have this little girl back on Nuvet? I've seen it work. My favorite story is when I had my store, I had a customer that had a 13-year-old German Shepherd, and her German Shepherd was in bad shape, needed hip surgery, and she was terrified that her dog was not going to survive the surgery. So she came into my store, and I told her one day, I said, look, just get a 30-day supply, just try it. You know, what's it going to hurt? It's not going to hurt anything. Just try it. Y'all, I kid you not. Probably 35, 40 days later, she came walking in my store with her German Shepherd, and this dog was walking. When she had brought her in the first time, she had one of the belly harnesses where she was having to help her dog, you know, support her dog to help it walk. And I, honest to God, I thought she had gotten a new dog. And I even said to her, I said, you know, I won't say the dog's name. I don't want to disclose personal information, but we'll just call her Sadie. I said, oh my gosh, what happened to Sadie? Is this a new baby? And she said, no, this is Sadie. And she said, we started giving her the new vet, and we've been able to cancel her surgery. That is just one story that I saw over 10 solid years of selling this wonderful product. I need a color right there. I don't know what color to put there. I guess I'll have to go back to this blue. Y'all tell me what color. So anyway, that, like I said, is just one of so many stories that I saw how it works over the years. And I thought, again, why do I not have this baby on this medicine? So I just started her on it 3 days ago. Anyhow, it's called Nuvat. I'm not sharing that to sell anything to y'all, but if I have a product that I've seen work over the years and can share it with anybody that is going through something similar. All right, I'm going to quit babbling about all of that, but let me know if you're interested. I'll be glad to reach out to you privately or send you information. Okay, I've got all of my puddles down. There is plenty of paint on this. So I'm going to take my cell activator. I'm going to put it on the back of my palette knife, and we are going to swipe. So you want to swipe very, 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 very slow. So since I did talk so much, and this, oh, it's so pretty, and this is a slow process, I'll put you guys to some music now.
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my fears. All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out to roam the world. I was just a kid, but I was spending time with older company. Stories about travel.
Y'all, if you could see what just happened, oh my goodness. I'm going to start showing you a close-up of the paintings. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. And while I'm doing that, I'll tell you what happened. Otherwise, this video is just going to be way too long. But look at the lacing I got. And based on what just happened, I'm glad in a way it happened, because look at these cells with that green in the middle of it. because this painting has sat for so long now, I've had some really, really cool things pop up. I think I didn't even mention my pouring medium. Look at that. Is that not so cool? Oh, I love that. So my overall pouring medium is Floetrol, and about 75% Floetrol to 25% golden gloss gel. But then my white, I did that. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not do that. I did the Vallejo Pearl Medium, which, hallelujah, is finally back in stock. New design, hopefully, obviously not new ingredients, because, well, there's some human appendages. Okay, we'll have to fix that. Anyhow, so because I had so much paint on this canvas, obviously I had to tilt a lot, and at times I was a little bummed because I thought I was going to lose all of my color. So cool, those colors in the middle. So, but I didn't. I think overall, I think it turned out really, really, really pretty. But there was so much paint on my table, I decided to clean up a little bit. Well, in doing so, I knocked over 3 more of the jars of leftover paint. So, I have been cleaning and scraping and all that. So, like I said, that's probably definitely my favorite part. But this is going to dry a lot darker. Also, I want to take a minute to thank the Massey boys for joining us this month in our collaboration. Thank you, boys, so much. From the bottom of my heart, personally, it means the world to me that, and I'm sure all of us, that you have joined us to help us grow our channel. Hopefully, I'll get you guys dry results. If for some reason I don't, they will definitely be in my next one. So hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for all. You won't miss out on any videos or anything that I post. Thank you again. And as always, until next time, bye, friends.
All right, due to time restraint, this is going to be a very fast dry results, but I think it dried beautifully. And like I put a little comment in there, this piece is already sold. So I will let it cure really good for a week or so and then put a coat of varnish on it. But y'all, it only needs probably a satin varnish. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick this up, but it's got this beautiful sheen on it. And that's from the pouring medium with putting the gloss gel into the Floetrol. It leaves just a beautiful sheen, but I'll put a coat of varnish and off to its new home it will go. So thank you again so much for joining us. And again, a great big shout out and a thank you to the Massey boys for helping to promote all of our channels. And I love you all. And again, until next time, bye friends.